In Chennai, finding a car premium wash that goes beyond the basics can be a challenge. We welcome to the premium car wash experience at Carglow Detailers, Chennai, where your vehicle receives a level of care that surpasses the common regular 400 or 500 rupees wash. This premium car wash service is designed to eliminate everyday dirt, grime, and bird droppings while minimizing surface swirl marks, offering your car a luxurious treatment it truly deserves. A premium car wash includes imported premium products like shampoo, chemicals, dressings, and towels, ensures avoiding swirl marks, and your vehicle gleams with a brilliance that turns heads. Every corner of your car is meticulously cleaned, leaving no spot untouched. Regular premium washes maintain your car's appearance and condition, boosting its resale value. The premium car wash process begins with thorough cleaning of wheels, tires, and arches. Mats are washed and carpets, including the trunk, are vacuumed. All door jambs, panels, and the dashboard are meticulously cleaned. Bugs and bird droppings are removed with care. The vehicle is washed using quality mitts and products, then dried with a soft microfiber towel to prevent swirl marks. An air blower is used to remove water from crevices, the front grille, and wheels. Hyper dressing is applied to all vinyl plastics, giving them a fresh look. Exterior glass and windows are cleaned, and tires are dressed to shine. Treat your car to the ultimate luxury with a premium car wash in Chennai. Experience the difference as professionals transform your vehicle into a sparkling masterpiece. Say goodbye to swirl marks and hello to a pristine finish that enhances your car's beauty and value. Don't settle for less when your prized possession deserves the best. Visit us today and indulge in a premium car wash experience that will leave your vehicle looking and feeling brand new. Your car deserves nothing but the finest care, so make the choice for excellence today. We start by cleaning the car logo's chrome and grille area, ensuring that all salt deposits are removed. Our experienced team thoroughly cleans the alloy wheels, lug nuts, tires, and wheel arch area using chemical brushing, followed by a power wash. All flooring mats are taken out and cleaned with a power wash to remove any dirt or grime. We vacuum the carpet and trunk areas to ensure they are spotless. All seats, dashboards, and door panels are meticulously cleaned with towels for a thorough finish. We apply foam on the entire car using touchless shampoo before performing a power wash. Your vehicle is washed with high-quality mitts and products to protect its surface. Immediately after washing, we clean all glass surfaces with wipers to prevent watermarks from forming. The vehicle is dried using soft microfiber towels to eliminate any swirl marks. An air blower is used to blow out water from crevices, front grille, and wheels for a complete dry finish. Finally, we use specialized glass cleaner chemicals to remove any finger or towel marks from all glass surfaces. To top it off, we apply dressing on all tires for that polished look.